Hey students, Mr. DiCostanzo here. These are some important Google Classroom apps that you want to have on your iDevice or your Android device. First and foremost, you would start with Google Classroom. Also good to have is your Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Gmail account so you can easily access your school email. Once you download these devices and click them to open, you will be required to sign in with your interborough credentials. So that would be your first name dot last name at interboroughsd.com, and then the password that you have used throughout the school year. If you do not know your password, you can contact the Interborough School District Technology Department. So let me just demo this real quick. So I've downloaded these apps. I'm going to open Classroom. It will require me to sign into my device. So again, for students, it would be first name dot last name at interboroughsd.com. You will notice that I'm putting .org because I am not a student. Then it will require you to put in your password. And once you go through, you should see all of your Google Classroom classes, and then you can click on there and work from there. You would also want to then do the same to sign in with your Google Drive. Again, once you sign into Google Classroom and you've signed in there, you should click sign in. It should automatically sign in for you. Same with Google Docs. Well, it's going to ask me to sign in again, so just click sign in. You would continue as, it's going to ask you to continue as you're already signed in, and once you click that, you should be good to go. And you can do that with each of your docs, your sheets, and also Google Slides. And your Gmail account as well. And you can see all of your emails that teachers send and or administrators send. So I hope this was helpful for you. This is just in case you don't have a Chromebook, a device, computer, a laptop. You can also use your PlayStation 4 and your Xbox to log in. You can search on YouTube for how to do that. And if you have any questions, send me an email, private comment, class comment on our Google Classroom pages, and I'll try and help you out as best I can. Hopefully we get back from this pandemic soon. Hopefully we'll see you all soon.